A properly installed heat pump? Yeah, I've had this thing for 5 years. No maintenance. Your contractor? They charge $150 to $300 for emergency service calls when your furnace breaks at 2 a.m. Heat pumps? Yeah, 90% fewer moving parts. Now, what do I pay for electricity? I have solar. I make my own. It brings my cost to zero. But if I didn't have solar, this thing would cost about $1,200 per year for grid electricity. Maintenance? I change the filters myself. It takes about 10 minutes. I've done one pressure wash with it. Took me about an hour. Fuel delivery? Zero. Emergency repairs? $0 in 5 years. I've had zero issues with this thing.